Okay, so I'm in the place value group, and we're going to be talking about place value. Place value is where the numbers go and what they're called in a big number like this, which would be pronounced 1,120,967,198 and 150 thousandths. So, and then we have these little icons. The applications is the paintbrush, and that stands for the applications, which is how you put it on and how you apply it. And then some patterns. This one is how it goes 1, 10, 100, and then comma, and then 10,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, and then it keep on going. And then the details are like the facts and like why you put them on and how you put them on. And then the language of the discipline are like all the different numbers that you put on. So the first lesson is lesson 1.
Okay, so I'm going to teach you about the first 5 digits in place value. So your first one is your thousands, and you have to make sure at the end you write bits because you have to have that. And then your 5 for your hundreds, and then your 1, and that's also your bits. So, okay, so this is your tenths, and the 5 is your hundreds, and your 0 is the thousands, and then you're gonna, in order to say things, you have, and to have TH at the end, you have to have a decimal point, and that allows you to use, and then you have to do A, and that's your 10. And that's your 10, that's your ones. And then the 9 is your tens. And so, this is your thousands, this is your hundreds, this is your tenths, and this is your ones. This is your ones, and that's your tens.
Lesson 2, Allison.
Okay, I'm gonna be doing the hundreds to 10,000s. And so your 100 has 2 zeros. You got a comma. And then you have thousands, or thousands.
not doing this specific thing in math, if you have a big number, you label it just to get it stuck in your brain. And then you know that after the 100, it becomes the bigger number. So a bigger number than 100,000 would be 100 million. 1 million, the place value. And just keep doing, just keep labeling every time you have it. And then it's a pattern, so it goes thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, same with millions. Millions, and then 10 millions, and then 100 millions. And you know that because you can just look over to the other side and just keep labeling and labeling, and then after 100 comes the next bigger number, and you want to memorize it as the billion. And the billion is all we're going to go up to today because that's the level that